Hey guys, welcome to my yet another fun video. Today I'm going to be doing yarn shopping with all of you guys. But before that, my name is Rumi and welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's go. So we are outside Hobby Lobby, as you guys can see, and that's like a treasure hunt for yarn. So let's go inside and see what we can all get. Let's go. So yeah, let's just dive in. So these, as you can see, these are cotton yarns and they are 100% cotton. And as you can see, they are variegated. They have like different shades of blue, and these are very good if you are making a shawl maybe or a scarf. So these are the different varieties that they have. And let me show you one more which I really like. This is 90% acrylic and 10% alpaca. Again, this will be quite warm, and this is also variegated, so you can make it for your winter scarves. And let's see, what else do we have? So these is 100% acrylic and a size 4 medium yarn. So you can use knitting needles as well as crochet as also for this. So there are so many colors available, as you can see. And I'm looking for a red yarn. I really like the color. And so yeah, this is my first purchase. Also, they have different patterns, different prints. If you are not interested in a solid color and if you want something like this, you can definitely choose this. These are again size 4 worsted weight yarn. Let me go ahead and see what else do we have. So here I am seeing a very different kind of yarn, and this is called yarn B, and this is the color in strawberry. It's a 3.5 ounces, and you can use it for, this is again a size 4 yarn. I hope you guys can see, and it's 80% acrylic and 20% nylon. So this again can be used to make scarves or shawls, like the fashionable ones. They have quite a bunch of options, as you can see. So let me go ahead and show you some more. This is low pill fiber, so if you want something which doesn't pill off so easily, so it's a very good yarn for that. And again, it's from the same brand called Yarn B, and it's soft and sleek. Let me see. Okay, this is a 5 ounces yarn, and you can use 6mm crochet hooks with these. Again, you can make maybe caps or scarves with these. And again, as you can see, there's so many color options available. Let me go ahead and show you some more. This is again from Yarn B, and it's called the Sugar Wheel. As you can see, this variegated pattern again, and as you can see, oh my god, this is such beautiful color options. And this is a size 4 medium worsted yarn again, and it's 100% acrylic, and you can use size 5.5mm hook with this. This again can be I think it will look very good if you want to make some blankets, so it will be a very good option. And as you can see, there's so many colors, different color options available. They have blues, they have coral, they have purple, and so many great colors. Okay, and here I see one more, and I guess this is called the Christmas print. So it's from the brand called Crafter's Secret, and if you see, the name of the print is Christmas print, and it's again 5 ounces and 100% acrylic, and you can use a size 5.5 millimeter crochet hook with this. So I guess you can make pot holders with this, and you can also make coasters with this. This will look really good, and again they have such beautiful color options available. So let me go ahead and show you some more. And here, as you can see, this is a very thin cotton thread, and it can be used to make doilies. And this is 100% mercerized Egyptian cotton, and it's the number 10 crochet thread, and it's 400 yards. So if you want to make doilies, you can use these. Coral, pink, and they have some on this side as well. Green, like light green, dark green, and this is a completely different shade of green. Also very beautiful shades of blue and purple, and I see they have multicolored as well. This is a very pretty color, so if you want to make colorful doilies, you can use this. And as you can see, they have some beautiful acrylic and alpaca mix yarns here. So this is again from the brand Yarn Bee, and it's called the Fair Isle. As you can see, this is 20% alpaca, and it looks quite soft, so you can use it for your woolen projects. They have like a small sample made here, and here you can see they have chunky yarn, and it's called I Love This Chunky, and this is again 100% acrylic, and you can use size 6.5 millimeter crochet hooks. This yarn you can use to make chunky hats. And again, as you can see, they have very beautiful color options. They have something in mixed prints and also in solids. So yeah, and also they have a very good low pill fiber, again in the same chunky yarn from the same brand. So let me go ahead and see. Okay, so you can use size 6.5 millimeter crochet hooks again, and this is low pill acrylic, so this will be a very good yarn to make bulkier hats, and you can also make bigger cowls with this. Oh wow, okay. Now I see they have one different yarn called Fleece Light, so it looks really cozy, and they have a very good pattern of a woolen sock or a stocking. So this will be a very comfortable wool if you want to make something warm for yourself during the winter season. And I really love the colors. Look at this, guys, such beautiful prints. Here I see this is a very bulky yarn, and this is again 50% acrylic, 35% polyamide, and 15% wool. This uses size 19 millimeter crochet hook, so I guess this you can use to make rugs with this yarn. This will be quite sturdy and quite thick as well. And now I see soft, beautiful baby yarns, which we all love. So this is the baby yarn section. As you can see, they have such beautiful, like really soft color options here, and they are very soft as compared to their other wool varieties. and this one is 80% acrylic and 20% polyamide. Also, you need a 6.5mm hook. So if you want to make something for babies, you should use this yarn. And again, very beautiful color options, as you can see. Also, they have low pill fiber for baby yarn. So, and this, you can use 6mm crochet hooks with these, and it's 100% acrylic. So if you want to make baby hats or baby mittens or maybe baby socks, you can use this yarn. And there's still so many other different options available, and I really love that they have such different varieties of baby yarns here. Okay, look what I found, guys. This is a very bulky yarn, and it's again from the brand called Yarn B, and it's called Big Succulent, and it's a 120 yards, 17.5 ounces. So let me go ahead and see. Okay, and it uses a size 15mm hook. So this yarn you can use to make like the huge blankets which you see on internet. So you can use this yarn to make big blankets. And again, they have like different color options here, and also they have multicolored options if you prefer multicolored. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what I was looking for. So this is the first yarn which I chose for me, and this is called I Love This Yarn. It's super soft, and it is again 7 ounces, which is 355 yards, and this is 100% acrylic. I will be using it to make other crochet projects like maybe hats or different crochet patterns. And I want a white as well. What else was I looking for? Okay, I want a green shade, so maybe this, no, or this. I think this, but yeah, okay, this should go. Yeah, this green. And what else? And I like this color. This is called Hot Orchid. As you can see, it's very pretty. And again, yeah, I'll be using all of these to make different crochet projects. So yeah, I got what I was looking for. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and happy crocheting. Bye bye.